Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger veg patties using an easy method. First, gather your fresh vegetables such as carrots, peas, and corn. Next, you'll need a good binding agent like breadcrumbs or mashed potatoes to hold everything together. Don't forget to season generously with your favorite spices to create a truly delicious and flavorful patty. This simple approach ensures a tasty result every time. Once your vegetables are ready, finely chop or process them to achieve a consistent texture, which helps the patties hold their shape. Now, combine all your prepared ingredients thoroughly in a large mixing bowl. It's crucial to mix well so everything is evenly distributed. The goal is a mixture that feels firm enough to easily form into patties without crumbling, ensuring a perfect burger. Now it's time to form your patties. Take portions of the mixture and shape them into uniform patties, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick for even cooking. Heat a lightly oiled pan over medium heat, then carefully place your patties in. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. This ensures a crispy exterior and tender interior. Your homemade veggie patties are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot on your favorite buns with fresh toppings like lettuce, tomato, and a dollop of your preferred sauce. These versatile patties are also excellent for meal prepping throughout the week and can be easily frozen for later. For more great deals, including smart speakers to enhance your home, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.